Tired of staring at cryptic error codes in Android Studio that steal your precious development time? Today, we're unlocking the power of Gemini, Android Studio's built-in AI, to automatically diagnose and zap those pesky bugs, transforming your debugging workflow from frustrating to fantastic. Step 1. Identify the error. When you encounter an error, don't just guess. Look at the specific message and the highlighted code. This is what Gemini will analyze. Step 2. Access Gemini. Navigate to the Help menu in Android Studio and locate the Gemini or AI Assistant option. This is your gateway to intelligent debugging. Step 3. Submit your error. Once Gemini is open, you'll see an input field. Paste the exact error message you're seeing in Android Studio into this field. Don't paraphrase. Be precise. Step 4. Let Gemini work its magic. Click the Submit button and watch as Gemini intelligently analyzes your error. It will leverage its vast knowledge base to understand the context and pinpoint the likely cause. Step 5. Understand and apply the solution. Gemini will provide a clear explanation of why the error occurred, and crucially, offer a precise code snippet or a step-by-step solution to fix it. Step 6. Implement the fix. Carefully review Gemini's recommendation and apply the suggested code changes or follow the outlined steps in your Android Studio project. Step 7. Rebuild and run. After implementing the fix, rebuild your project and run your application with Gemini's assistance. You'll likely see that error disappear, allowing you to reclaim your focus and boost your productivity. Embrace the future of Android development and let Gemini be your intelligent debugging partner.